out, Michael.
You got to keep your legs together.
No. Mate, I've been doing them longer than you. Don't tell me how to do them.
You're not landing them.
Look at Andrew go. Ah!
Oh, look, his foot's on the ground. His foot's on the ground.
Oh, I can do it without it.
Oh, look, he's... No, Tom. You don't let me ride your bike, hop off mine.
Check this out.
No, you don't. You don't let me use anything of yours.
Ah, yes.
You never let me. You never let me use anything of yours, so hop off.
Check this out, Tom. Yes! Perfect! Full basket. Here, watch this. I'll do a half.